We are in Hawaii, and look at how pretty it is. And look at how pretty they are. Welcome back to Hawaii. I hope you enjoyed today's snorkeling, sea turtles, parasailing, and adventures with my friends. Sorry for the cheesy music and equally cheesy jokes. I hope they make you laugh. Tell your friends and family you love them, and enjoy this fish. A public service announcement. When you go snorkeling, you don't need to wear a hat, dude. It's kind of embarrassing. And like, if you're gonna go snorkeling, please don't let your hat stay here. People might think it's a dead jellyfish or something. I mean, oh gosh, that's gooey. Like, what is this? Don't snorkel with hats, dude. I just saw a turtle. I've never seen like a sea turtle in my whole life, like other than at the zoo, and that was breathtaking. Like, you just see a beautiful turtle like that, and you can't help but wonder, like, wow, there's gotta be a God out there. Like look at all of this. Someone's making a really weird sound back there. Probably time to go find my friends. I mean, this is a video, not a picture.
I know.
I wasn't sure if you knew. Do I have boogers?
I was moving. No, you
Go.
Do I?
Yeah. Dude, I love you, friend. This is like, I've never been, it feels like I'm in a pool.
Right?
Right? It's not even cold. And I knew how to pee. almost died, but I swam under a cave in Hawaii. It's kind of cool. So I kind of hit my head, but it's good. I think it's good. I mean, there's no blood, so it didn't hit my head that hard. To make this pineapple smoothie better than before, which is pretty good currently. Can you see the birds? They think it's gonna be really good too. Hey guys. Hey, one shot is good. Hey, look at this. Wait, but what should we really look at? Where are we going? What? I'm not taking a picture. We're about to go parasailing. It's gonna be my second time. It's second time in 24 hours. Okay, we're gonna go on to Freedom.
I was gonna do that.
Do it.
She's a pro.
Second time in 24 hours, guys.
She went last night with us.
It was weird.
We was like,
Don't touch the metal.
full moon's out. Don't touch the metal.
No, don't touch the metal.
The weird thing is we did it. Okay, ready guys?
We're ready.
So we're dunking her.
Yes, Duncan. How do you feel?
Not that scared.
It's not bad at all. So peaceful, dude. Woo! Woo! I don't know. I don't think I swung yesterday.
Yeah, you did. I saw
Did I swing a little?
Yeah. Oh, this is cute. There's only 2 people.
I know, we're adorbs.
Look, it's so pretty.
It's beautiful.
So this is 1,000 feet?
Yes, this is 1,000 feet.
It's
Ooh.
kinda cool.
Are you glad you did it?
Mm-hmm.
Me too. Drops the GoPro in the middle of the ocean.
Yeah, hold on.
It's so peaceful up here. Like the parachute up top. Ah! Oh my gosh! Ah!
So we're up here for like 6 minutes and then they dip us in the water and then
Yep.
we get back down.
That'll be pretty fun. I enjoyed parasailing so much that I decided to come back 24 hours later with my girls. Dunkus, 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 dunkus. Hey Amanda, you ready for some Dunkin' Donuts, bitch? Okay. Are you ready for this? I'm ready. Woo! That was Like it's stuck. Okay. What do you fall? You try again. Take two. Also, maybe after this Hawaii trip, I'll start talking about the bus a little more. But chilling right now. Take two. Amanda, I did it. It only took 2 tries. Good job. Thanks. Hey, can you sing the good job song for me?
Good job, good job, good job. G-O-D-J-O-B, good job, good job.
Thanks for joining us today. Hanging out and spending time with my friends was exactly the healing that I needed, and I look forward to doing more of that in the future, but I will get back to talking about the bus and building the bus soon. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already.